Overeating on campus can be kind of difficult because especially with, larger portion sizes and the all-you-can-eat options. But I would suggest definitely not waiting until you're absolutely starving. And that goes for eating on campus or going to the grocery store in real life.
Advice I would give to incoming freshmen about staying nutritionally healthy would probably be to make sure you have breakfast. Even if you have to get up for 8 o'clock, grab something small. Grab a yogurt, grab a piece of fruit, something you can pick up fast at a grab and go.
I would definitely recommend don't skip meals, especially breakfast. Breakfast is very important to start your day. And then also ending at night at a certain time when you stop eating to make sure you don't have late night snacking.
A tip I would give students about better snacking on campus, go for more of the grab and go sections. I think we tend to try to get something that's more hot based or like soup, pasta, pizza, something like that. That obviously sounds really good, but I think if you go for the grab and go sections, like a chicken salad sandwich, banana and apple, it's gonna give you a lot more energy for you to attack your day.